Hi guys, quick one. So I've been receiving some news or some questions concerning students who are trying to make inquiry about their O-level upload. So the thing is, most of you O-level has not been uploaded in your JAMB CAP. So for you to be sure or for you to know if your O-level has been uploaded, this is what you need to do. Come to your browser, any one of your choice, but I'm using Chrome. So just search in for JAMB. Just searching for JAMB. So once you're searching for JAMB, then searching for JAMB, searching for JAMB. So it will bring it, this information will pop up. So the first information that has e-facility, that is the link you will click on. So once you click on this link, it will take you to this particular site. So now you input your email address or your password. And in case you don't know, you have forgotten your password, once you have an active email, you just come to this site, click on forgotten password, then it will reset your password for you automatically. Then you'll be able to log in. So once you have logged in, you'll see something like this. Then we have my profile, now registration, part-time registration, and the rest. So the next thing you have to do is come to this site that is check admission status. So you click on it. Once you click on it, this will pop up. Then you click on access my caps. Access my cap. But in case this is not showing 2016, you try to change it to 2016 by clicking on this part. So you have 2016, then you click on access my caps. Access my caps. So once you click on that, you see something like this. So you come to this my O level, so you click on it. So if your O level has been uploaded, you see it, and if it is not uploaded um, accurately, so you can go for the upload and quickly and work on it. But if you have uploaded and it's not showing, you can come to this side and click on refresh. And if it's still not showing, that means it has not been uploaded properly. So thank you very much. In case you have any question, please don't forget to reach out to us. And please give this video a thumbs up if this video is helpful. And take note, in case you are using a mobile phone, because you are using a mobile phone and it's not showing, there is a three dots at the top left, at the top right corner of your phone. Click on it, then you move down. You will see somewhere there's desktop mode. Desktop mode. So you click on that desktop mode, so you'll be able to see what I'm showing you guys. So thank you very much. See you guys in our next video.